Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Financial Mastery.
This section is designed to help you take control of your financial future by building the skills and mindset needed for financial mastery. You'll explore practical strategies for managing money effectively, setting realistic financial goals, and making informed decisions that align with your values and long-term vision. From budgeting and saving to investing wisely, you'll learn the essentials of financial planning to create stability and growth in your finances. Beyond the basics, this section guides you in developing a wealth-building mindset. You'll discover how to overcome common financial challenges, avoid debt traps, and make choices that support lasting financial health. With a focus on financial literacy, you'll gain insights into balancing spending with saving, growing your wealth through investments, and preparing for future financial needs. Through actionable steps and empowering examples, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your financial journey. By mastering these principles, you'll build confidence in managing your money, creating a secure foundation that supports both your present needs and future aspirations. This section equips you with the tools to achieve financial freedom, empowering you to live a life of stability, opportunity, and independence.
Today's episode.
Chapter 46. Creating Business Agility and Sustainable Growth. Introduction.
In an era of rapid change and intense competition, business agility and sustainable growth have become essential for long-term success. Companies must adapt to shifting market dynamics, customer expectations, and technological advancements while maintaining a balance between development and sustainability. Business agility refers to the ability to quickly adapt to changes, innovate, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. Sustainable growth, on the other hand, focuses on scaling operations in a way that ensures long-term profitability without compromising environmental, social, or ethical responsibilities. Together, they form a powerful strategy for thriving in a fast-paced world. This chapter explores the significance of business agility and sustainable growth, offering actionable insights for companies to embrace flexibility, foster innovation, and drive success. Whether you are an entrepreneur, manager, or business leader, understanding these concepts is vital for achieving stability and expansion in today's complex business landscape.
Understanding the concept.
Business agility. Agility is the capacity to respond quickly to market changes, innovate consistently, and meet customer needs with speed and efficiency. It is not limited to operational flexibility, but includes strategic adaptability and fostering a culture of continuous learning. Key elements of business agility include leadership support. Leaders must champion adaptability and innovation. Cross-functional teams encourage collaboration to drive quicker decision-making. Customer focus. Stay aligned with changing customer preferences. Sustainable growth. This involves scaling a business while being mindful of financial stability, environmental impact, and social responsibilities. Companies must balance profit generation with contributions to the well-being of communities and the planet. Key principles include innovation, integrate new technologies for efficient processes, corporate responsibility, adopt eco-friendly and ethical practices, long-term vision, focus on lasting success over short-term profits.
Challenges and solutions.
Challenge 1. Resistance to change. Many businesses struggle to adopt agility due to rigid structures or cultural inertia. Solution: promote a growth mindset through leadership training and employee engagement. Foster a culture that embraces change and rewards innovation. Challenge 2. Balancing growth and sustainability. Rapid expansion often compromises ethical and sustainable practices. Solution: integrate sustainability into business strategies, adopt green technologies, minimize waste, and engage in corporate social responsibility initiatives. Challenge 3. Resource limitations. Small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) often face financial or technical constraints. Solution: leverage partnerships, government grants, or venture capital to access resources. Embrace digital transformation for cost efficiency. Challenge 4. Lack of data-driven insights. Without accurate data, businesses struggle to anticipate trends or measure the impact of changes. Solution: invest in data analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. Challenge 5. Maintaining employee morale. Rapid change can lead to employee burnout or resistance. Solution: provide training, foster transparent communication, and involve employees in decision-making to maintain morale and alignment.
Practical applications.
One. Adopt agile methodologies. Implement frameworks like Scrum or Kanban to improve project management and adapt to changes efficiently. 2. Invest in technology. Use cloud computing, AI, and automation to streamline operations and enhance decision-making. 3. Build a diverse team. Diversity fosters creativity and innovation. Encourage cross-functional collaboration to solve complex problems. 4. Set clear goals. Create a long-term strategy with measurable milestones. Align these goals with both profit and sustainability objectives. 5. Partner for impact. Collaborate with organizations that share your vision for sustainability. Joint ventures can amplify reach and efficiency.
Case studies or examples.
One, Dr. Ola Ore-Conri, founder of Flying Doctors, Nigeria. Dr. Ore-Conri demonstrated business agility by introducing air ambulance services to address healthcare gaps in remote areas, balancing growth with social impact. Two, Dennis Coates. As a founder of Bet365, Coates exemplified agility by leveraging digital platforms early in the online gaming industry, ensuring sustainable growth through technological innovation and responsible gaming practices. 3. Tony Tan Katong, founder of Jollibee Foods Corporation. Tan Katong scaled his business globally by adapting to diverse markets while maintaining core values of sustainability and community support. Dr. Ola Ore-Conri launched Flying Doctors Nigeria, blending innovation and agility to provide air ambulance services, addressing healthcare challenges in undeserved areas. Dennis Coates, founder of Bet365, embraced digital transformation early, securing sustainable growth through technological innovation and responsible gaming. Tony Tan Katong scaled Jollibee Foods globally, adapting to diverse markets while upholding sustainability and community values. These leaders highlight the power of adaptability and innovation in achieving lasting business success.
Personal reflections.
Reflect on how your business or professional endeavors align with the principles of agility and sustainable growth. Are you open to change and innovation? Write down 3 areas where you could improve adaptability in your approach. Similarly, assess how sustainability factors affect your decisions. What steps can you take to ensure your actions benefit the environment and society while driving success?
Conclusion.
Creating business agility and sustainable growth is not just a competitive advantage, it's a necessity. By embracing change, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical practices, businesses can achieve long-term success while contributing positively to the world. Start by evaluating your current strategies, identifying gaps, and implementing gradual changes that align with your vision for growth and impact. Success comes to those who adapt, innovate, and grow responsibly.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is The Courage to Begin Again, Embracing New Beginnings.
Life rarely goes exactly as planned. Dreams get delayed. Doors close and seasons shift, but in every ending lies the possibility of a powerful new beginning. Starting over is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of strength. It takes courage to release what no longer serves you and step into the unknown with fresh hope. New beginnings are your chance to reset, refocus, and rebuild, this time with greater wisdom. What you lost may have prepared you for what is coming. Do not let fear or past failures hold you back. Let them fuel your resolve. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. To begin again, permit yourself. Let go of guilt, regret, and shame. Forgive yourself. The past cannot be changed, but your future is still in your hands. Take responsibility, then write a new chapter with clarity, purpose, and vision. Start small, but be consistent. New journeys do not require perfection, they require movement. Set your goals. Take one step at a time, and each step forward proves that you still believe in yourself. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your value. This is your moment. Today can be the day one where something extraordinary begins. The courage to start again already lives inside you. You must choose to activate it. Do not wait for ideal conditions. Start where you are. Use what you have and move with what you know. The future belongs to those bold enough to start again right now, in the middle of uncertainty. So, take a deep breath, lift your head high, and move forward. Your next breakthrough is just one brave decision away.